This is Pooja. In this video, I'll be covering the second part of the purchases, in which the invoicing method will be manual and from pricing. So I've created the purchase orders already. Here, as you can see, the invoicing method is set to manual. Go to the warehouse and see for our purchase order 29 in the incoming shipments. Okay, so we have already processed the goods. Once the goods have been processed, the purchase manager will go to invoice control and the purchase lines that are not invoiced. If everything is valid, he'll create an invoice for the supplier. Okay, this invoice, as you can see, is been created for the respective supplier, that is the Mia White. So we can then go into accounting and see the supplier invoices. We can see that the invoice for Mia White is in the draft stage. Like in the last video, the accounting department will similarly approve it if everything seems to be valid, that is the quantity, the price, and then approve it. Okay, and then he could get the payment from the supplier, like in the last case, by selecting the correct payment method and validating it. This is about the manual invoicing process. So now let's go and look at the purchase orders that have been created using invoice from picking. My purchase order ID is 28, so we'll go and see in the warehouse in the incoming shipments. Okay, so here we see that the warehouse department will have an option to create an invoice for the goods that have been picked up, that is the goods that have been received, by selecting a respective journal, the date you want to invoice. Suppose I want to invoice today, and create the invoice. The newly invoice created will be in the draft stage. So the accounting department will then go to supplier invoices and see the invoices that are in the draft stage and approve and validate it, like in the last case. Thank you.